Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Level 2 market data in the Robinhood app. Level 2 market data gives you a deeper look into the market by showing multiple bid and ask prices instead of only the best available price. Robinhood partners with Nasdaq to provide this information through Nasdaq Total View, helping you see the depth of buy and sell orders for eligible Nasdaq-listed securities. This information can help you better understand market activity, liquidity, and where buyers and sellers are placing their orders. However, it does not guarantee that your order will be filled at a specific price. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Tap on the search icon and search for the stock you want to analyze. Open the stock's details page. Next to the current trading price, tap the arrow to open the advanced market information. If you're using Robinhood on the web, click the advanced icon with the double arrows. Here you'll find the Level 2 market data section. You'll see multiple bid prices, which represent buy orders waiting to purchase the stock. You'll also see multiple ask prices, which represent sell orders waiting to sell the stock. Each price level also shows the number of shares available at that price. Instead of showing only the highest bid and the lowest ask, Level 2 data displays the full order book, allowing you to see market depth. On the web version, you can also add the order book and depth chart to get an even clearer view of buying and selling activity. Use this information to understand where large buy or sell orders are located and how much liquidity is available before placing your trade. Keep in mind that market conditions can change quickly, so Level 2 data updates continuously during market hours. Many active traders use Level 2 market data together with price charts, volume, and technical analysis to make more informed trading decisions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.